Today's tip, be specific. Hi, my name is Dave and I am a bird nerd. Welcome to my community, bird sculptors and painters. So take a look at these 5 patches of earth colors that I have here on my palette. How many colors do you see? There's actually 5 different colors, but they only go by 2 different names. These first 3 patches are all raw umber. These last 2 patches are both raw sienna. So if somebody tells you the best way to get the mix for, bird species A is to mix raw umber with raw sienna, you need to ask them which raw umber and which raw sienna. Now, left to right, these colors are Grumbacher raw umber, Old Holland raw umber, Williamsburg raw umber, Grumbacher raw sienna, and Old Holland raw sienna light. I'm going to hold this palette up so you can get a good look at the differences between these colors. All 3 of these on the left are considered raw umber, but they have very different color characteristics. This is the Grumbacher, and it's a little bit blacker. This is the Old Holland. It's a very neutral brown. This is the Williamsburg. It's very, very green. Same thing with the raw siennas. They differ too. Now, the more orangey one here is the Grumbacher, and as you put a lot of white with it, it gets very peachy, but not so much with the Old Holland raw sienna light, which if anybody says, hey, I painted that with Old Holland raw sienna, go ahead and ask them, what are they talking about? There's no such thing as Old Holland raw sienna. Old Holland makes raw sienna light and raw sienna deep. This is the raw sienna light. All of these colors have their purposes, but when people are telling you how to mix certain colors, if you're just getting familiar with them, make sure you know which manufacturer they're talking about. If you enjoyed this tip, hit the subscribe button. Then you'll know when I upload more of the good stuff. You should probably also consider joining my community, bird sculptors and painters. There's a link in the description below this video, and that will get you all the best tips and tricks delivered straight to your inbox, as well as updates on all the courses that I offer. I look forward to supporting you in your journey to Total Bird Nerd. Thank you.